My name is Bill Brooks and I'm a research fellow here at NeuRA, and I've been working with families with the genetic form of Alzheimer's disease for over 30 years now. Alzheimer's disease is the most common disease process in the brain in people with dementia. And some families, quite rare families, but they have a genetic cause for this disease. Not everybody does. It's quite rare, about 5%. They have a spelling mistake in one of their genes, which causes the slow production of a protein called A-beta amyloid, which builds up in the brain. And that's enough to cause the Alzheimer's disease process in those people. We were lucky enough to get some funding from the Alzheimer's Association, as it then was, to do some field trips to visit some families that were living interstate. And we were able eventually, with this funding, to go and visit them, make a field trip, take a team of people, 3 of us, and we went and visited them. We got to know them, talked the family history, collected blood, and neuropsychologists did some memory testing. The thing in these families is that it's possible to identify by genetic testing who is going to develop the disease in that family. And that raises the possibility of doing something about it. And in these families, you can see by amyloid PET scans that the amyloid buildup occurs over 15 to 20 years before symptoms develop. So these families have a bit of a head start, and we've now managed to link up with an international study called DIAN, Dominantly Inherited Alzheimer Network, and their clinical trial program, which began here in 2015, and we've now completed the first clinical trial. These families are very important in helping the world understand what's happening in the disease process of Alzheimer's disease, but actually on a personal level, I thank what's now the Dementia Australia Research Foundation for that support all those years ago, 20 years ago now. I'm still in touch with most of those families, and in fact I'm on the next generation, and it's research for a long haul.